Well, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Emergent to build an app. Imagine being able to take a software idea, describe exactly how you want it to look and function, and what a coordinated team of autonomous AI coding agents build, test, and deploy a fully functional, production-ready application in under 15 minutes. That is precisely what you can accomplish using Emergent, a revolutionary full-stack development platform that turns your plain English instructions into live scalable software without forcing you to write a single line of code. Whether you need a native mobile application for iOS and Android or a comprehensive full-stack web application with secure databases and authentication, this platform bridges the gap between raw concept and market-ready reality. To follow along and start building your custom software today, click the link down below in the description to try Emergent today, here with free credits, thus allowing you to launch your initial builds completely risk-free. Now for founders, freelance creators, content specialists, and business owners, bringing a digital product to life has historically been an exhausting, highly technical, and expensive bottleneck. Traditional development paths require hiring engineering teams, managing complex code repos, wrangling database configurations, and setting up cloud environments, which usually takes months and costs thousands of dollars. Even standard drag-and-drop no-code tools often fall short because they lock you into rigid templates and break down the moment your app requires complex custom logic or external API connections. Emergent completely rewires this dynamic by introducing autonomous AI coding agents that act as your own on-demand chief technology officer and software engineering team. By utilizing advanced foundational reasoning models, these agents do not just output generic code snippets or visual mockups. They construct actual code bases, spin up real databases, integrate secure user logins, configure payment processing elements, and handle live application hosting on production-ready service automatically. Now, to kick off your app development journey, the absolute first step happens before you even touch your keyboard. You need to get crystal clear on the specific blueprint of what you're building. Because Emergent relies on your natural language intent to write the application, the clarity and quality of your final software will be directly proportional to the detail you provide upfront. A major trap that many beginners fall into is feeding the system incredibly brief, ambiguous instructions. For instance, if you type a generic phrase like, "build me a fitness app," the AI agents are forced to guess every single feature, layout, and user flow, which burns through your processing credits on constant, unnecessary revisions. Instead, spend 5 minutes mapping out your requirements on a notepad. Define exactly who uses the platform, what primary functions they need to perform, what data needs to save, and what screens must be present. Now, before launching your build prompt, it is highly useful to check your profile parameters and select the workspace plan that aligns with your ultimate project goals. The platform operates on a clear credit system where your initial build, future feature updates, and live revisions pull from a shared allocation pool. While the baseline tier exists for brief experimentation, moving up to the standard or professional workspaces unlocks larger project context windows, allows for custom domain publishing, and grants access to advanced deep reasoning mode agents that handle heavy architectural structures with ease. A great best practice is to structure your features meticulously beforehand so your very first prompt does the heavy lifting, saving your credit reserves for the final fine-tuning phases. Now, once your workspace parameters are verified, you will notice that the primary prompt workspace contains distinct development paths tailored for different styles of software. You can choose the full-stack web application path, a native mobile application path optimized for iOS and Android, or a standalone landing page framework. Now, because our client portal needs to operate seamlessly across desktops and laptops with a robust underlying database, select the full stack app, which is what we're currently on. Right below, you have your main prompt container. You will also discover advanced agent adjustments. For standard web tools, the baseline agent models work beautifully. But if your application requires heavy mathematical logic or extensive conditional workflows, you can easily toggle on the deep reasoning agent mode to give your build an extra layer of structural stability. Now move your cursor directly to the primary prompt block to construct your application description. This is where you can transform your conceptual blueprint into a highly effective instruction architecture. To get the best possible result on your first pass, your prompt should explicitly name the application title, describe the layout design vibe, specify the exact user navigation items, and call out critical integrations. For a custom client portal, you can go ahead and follow this type of prompt that we'll be putting right here in the prompt area. Now we have this prompt: build a clean, highly responsive web application named Client Track Pro that lets independent business owners manage client interactions. Include a secure user authentication system with email and password login. The layout must feature a modern dark themed sidebar with deep blue accents. Inside the main workspace, include 4 distinct navigation tabs, an overview dashboard showing current project count, an interactive Kanban board with draggable task cards, categorized into low, medium, and high priorities, a client database directory that allows adding and editing client records, and a settings tab with email notification switches. Ensure all user information and task updates save locally to the underlying database, and incorporate visual loading spinners across the interface so the application feels polished and fast. This level of granular detail gives the platform an exact roadmap to follow. Notice how it details the precise database requirements, navigation names, design aesthetics, and security elements, completely eliminating the guesswork. By the way, if you want to jump right now and see the incredible code generation happen live with your own app ideas, remember to click the link down below in the description to try Emergent today, here with free credits, to begin executing your custom software workflows instantly. Now, of course, once you're done, you're going to click on the submit button down below right here. Now, the moment you do this, the platform shifts into a high gear and you're brought directly into the live status monitoring view, which is what we have right here. This is easily one of the most satisfying parts of the ecosystem. Instead of displaying a static generic loading animation, the interface pulls back the curtain and it showcases a real-time feed of autonomous agents collaborating on your software stack. You can actively watch the system go through a distinct planning phase where it maps out your database schemas and component trees. Within a few moments, actual code files will begin popping up on your screen. The specialized developer agents systematically write the React front end, construct the Node backend infrastructure, spin up the API endpoint, and establish the user login code. What makes this platform incredibly unique is its built-in autonomous debugging engine. If an agent writes a line of code that causes a compilation error or breaks a component connection, the system does not freeze or surface an annoying error message for you to solve. Instead, a specialized quality check agent automatically flags the bug, analyzes the underlying cause, rewrites the problematic file, and applies the fix completely on its own without requiring a single click from you. A typical medium complexity software application will fully compile, test, and complete its setup cycle in roughly 10 minutes. Now, of course, if we just look at the left side of the screen, it has some questions for us. When it comes to the authentication approach, there are some options to choose. It says A, JWT-based custom email password authentication, self-contained, or B, Emergent managed Google social login. Now, there are 5 questions and this is just one of 5. You could go through each of them to know which one you want to give it a proper answer, or you can use the auto answer and you'll be asking Emergent to use its AI features and the prompt you provided to select the best option for you. So we're going to choose auto answer, and it says no need for clarification, just proceed with your best judgment. So that's what we're asking it to do. Now, when your interactive preview looks completely flawless and meets all your expectations, it's time to take your application live. You need to locate the primary deployment action on your dashboard and initiate it. with a single click. The platform automatically shifts your code base onto its highly secure, globally distributed hosting infrastructure, providing you with a live shareable URL immediately if you're operating on a paid standard or professional workspace plan. Providing you with a live shareable URL immediately. If you're operating on a paid standard or professional workspace plan, you can easily navigate to your app settings to bind your own custom domain name. Building custom software and launching scalable digital tools no longer requires technical development bottlenecks or deep engineering budgets. By utilizing this guide, you have discovered how to turn plain English app specification into a live full-stack product. For anyone wanting to quickly validate business ideas, deliver robust tools for consulting clients, or streamline internal operations without traditional tech barriers, this platform is absolutely a game changer. So of course, if you want to try it out yourself, you can go ahead and click the link in the description to try Emergent today with free credits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.